guys, let's try this basic chords. It's been a long time I did a tutorial on anything related to piano, and I'm back with you guys, and we'll take it slow, whatever you feel like. I don't care, I'm just testing the quality of the video, so whatever you feel like saying, feel free and leave it in the comment section, and let's get to work. Alright, ciao, bye. Now I'm back to the keyboard. Let's see what we got in there. Now we want to learn the major scale and play it with chords. Basically, we all know the major scale already, and that's do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You get it? So what we're going to do is play this major scale with 3 major chords. With what? 3 major chords. So let's go on it as fast as we can. On the first note, which is the first, the do, and basically on the major chords of the keyboard is 1, 4, and 5. The do, fa, and the sol. That's the major chords, and we're going to play them in inversions. One, if you don't know about inversions are quite simple. Inversions are change, basically in mathematics, that's change of subjects. Uni massa, or the finance all the way. That's the one on the lower side of the keyboard coming up. Now make you have a first inversion. Second inversion means that the one on the lower side of the same do chord, which has been changed, would come higher. That's basically it. And the last one is not a third inversion, but back to the root chord. So basically you have, alright, if you don't get it, you have 2 choices. Either you forget about it, or you give me a comment in the comment section, so I'll take my time and break it down. Alright, so the first chord we would have here is the first inversion of the F major. The second chord we would have is the root chord of the C major. The third chord we would have is the second inversion of the F major. The fourth chord we have is the first inversion of the B flat major. Then we have back to the root of the fifth chord. Then we have the second inversion of B flat. Then we have C, which is giving us the second inversion of the C. Then do, that's also giving us the first inversion of, back to the first inversion of the F major. So in summary, we have this. Do you get it? If it's too fast, kindly slow the video. Now on the left, as usual, you have the root, the second minor, minor third, the subdominant, the dominant, the sixth minor, the diminished seventh of the seventh, the diminished of the seventh, then back to the first. Alright, so we have, in conjunction with what we just did on the right, we would have that's the fa. I'm using my pinky on it. You can't be confused, please. You just cannot be confused. So la, ti, do. Is that clear? And let me use the right finger position. So we have do you have it now? Is that clear? Okay. So we have do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Someone would ask, why are we playing this and not choosing this so? Because it's the so as the C major over it, and we are choosing an F over it. Yes, that's a question of on another day to answer. But basically, what I want you to understand is this is good, but harmonically, I'm loving this. So that's what I want you to do. Practice. Is that clear? All right. So with this, when you're having any practice session and you're playing like, instead of using all those chords, you're gonna basically practice it, get faster on it, and it's going to help you on a lot of songs. All right. Ciao. We'll meet another time. Enjoy your day.